It reminds me of a quote by Alexander Sattler. He says, "I would rather own a little and see the world than own the world and see a very little of it." And we are talking about travel here. How is this linked to what I'm speaking today? I developed a passion towards photography right from my college days during my treks in Western Ghats as well as in the Himalayas. And when I joined work, I further honed the photographic skills, which led to a lot of travels across United States, many countries in the Europe, of course, vacations in India, as well as in Asia Pacific. What I love about travel and photography is it brings the best out of you if you like travel, as well as photographing the culture, the people, the food, the restaurants, the monuments, nature, landscapes, many more. And that's what I discovered for the last 5 to 10 years. I just pulled up all the collections of pictures I had, and what really surprised me is I had a lot of pictures which really amazed me, and I thought I must share it with you and get your views and opinions, and also offer what nature has to offer to you, to your eyes. Needless to say, some of the pictures which I'll be displaying were a part of the National Geographic photo exhibition, as well as few salons like the Youth Photographic Society. I would like to personally invite you, along with your family and friends, to Travelens, my first solo photographic exhibition, which will be held from January 11th till the 19th, 2020, at Peepletree Art Gallery in Sadashivanagar, Bangalore, from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. I look forward to seeing all of you to make this exhibition a grand success. Thank you.